Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll have a look at the new OnePlus 6 launched in India. So this will be coming in 3 color variants. Along with that, it also comes with the Avengers Infinity Edition, which is a special edition device available exclusively on Amazon. So let's have a look at the OnePlus 6. So this device comes with a 6.28 inches Full HD plus resolution display. It also has this notch with 19:9 aspect ratio. Now this is powered by the Snapdragon 845 octa-core chipset, which is available in two variants, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM variant, and there is also 64 and 128 gigs of storage. So we have the Oxygen OS on top of Android Oreo 8.1. So this is the Oxygen OS. So it is quite similar to what we have on the OnePlus 5T as well. So this is more or less like stock Android with pretty basic customization options also included. It's very fluid UI, extremely responsive, and it does come with some basic customization options as well. So that's the Oxygen OS. It feels quite smooth and does pack all the basic features you'll see on the stock Android, along with a few customizations as well. Now talking about the cameras. So this device comes with a dual camera setup. So this is again a dual camera smartphone with the primary camera 16 megapixel and a secondary 20 megapixel camera with f-stop 1.7 aperture, and the camera comes with optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization included. There are 3 basic modes, the regular photo mode, video, and also portrait mode. And if you go to the video recording mode, you can see that this device comes with even 4K resolution support at 60 FPS. So that's something really good which has been implemented on this device. Along with that, it also comes with a 1080p resolution at 60 FPS, and the interface is quite simple and more or less similar to what we have seen on the OnePlus 5T as well. So now talking about the display, it's a 6.28 inch Full HD plus resolution display. The display colors are pretty vivid. Its touch response is also pretty smooth, and the overall quality of the display looks pretty good. So overall the OnePlus 6 looks pretty good in terms of the design as well. And this we have the white variant, the silk white variant, which actually feels really good. You can see the bottom panel has the USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker unit. The left side houses the volume keys and also the SIM tray. At the back panel has the dual camera setup. We have the fingerprint scanner and the OnePlus logo, and this is actually finished in glass. So this silk white variant looks really stunning in terms of the finishing, and it has a matte finish on top of glass, so that again adds to the beauty of the device. So on the right side we have the power key and the alert slider, which you can easily silence the volume. On the top there are no openings or slots along with the microphone. So this is the matte finished silk white variant which will be available as a limited edition on Amazon. So that's the OnePlus 6, and this is available in 2 variants in India. 6GB RAM, which comes with 64GB storage, and that's priced 34,999, and the other variant comes for 8GB RAM and 128 gigs of storage and has the price of 39,999, that's 40k in India. So these are the 2 variants which will be available. Along with that, the company has also launched the limited edition Avengers Infinity War, which will also be available in India for a price of 44,999, and this also will include a case. It's a special edition box which includes a hard case which is again themed based on Avengers Infinity War. So this edition will be exclusively available on Amazon, and that will be priced 45k. So there are 2 other colors available for the retail variant, which is a midnight black, which is a matte finished rear panel with a black color, and also it is again finished in glass. So that's something really good made by the company, and it doesn't feel like glass, but it is made of glass. And there's also a mirror black variant, which is a glossy finish that actually feels pretty much like glass finish, and it in fact is glass. And this has both Gorilla Glass on the back and the front panel. It's Corning Gorilla Glass 5 version. Now the battery capacity is at 3300 mAh with dash charging. This is exactly the same capacity which we had on the OnePlus 5T. So that was a quick hands-on with the OnePlus 6. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.